Welcome to my channel. Today, we will be talking about how often you can request a free credit report from Equifax. Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion are the three major credit bureaus in the United States. By law, you are entitled to one free credit report from each of them every 12 months through the official website, annualcreditreport.com. However, the credit bureaus have made free weekly credit reports from all three agencies available permanently on annualcreditreport.com. This means you can get a free Equifax credit report once every week. In addition to the free weekly reports, Equifax offers other ways to access your credit report for free. You can create a My Equifax account to receive a free monthly credit report and score. You may also be entitled to a free report under specific circumstances, such as if you were denied credit, insurance, or employment based on your credit report. You must request this report within 60 days of the denial notice. You are also eligible if you are unemployed and plan to seek employment within 60 days, are receiving public assistance, or suspect your report is inaccurate due to fraud. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.